Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into a delicious vegan recipe that's perfect for anyone managing diabetes, a zucchini noodle salad. Stay tuned to see how we mix health with heavenly flavors. For this recipe, you'll need just a few fresh ingredients. Let's take a look. Zucchini, 2 large, to be turned into noodles. Cherry tomatoes, 1 cup, halved. Avocado, 1 large, diced. Red onion, 1/4 cup, finely sliced. Fresh basil, 1/4 cup, chopped. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Salt and pepper, to taste. Why it's great for diabetics. This salad is not only refreshing but also diabetic-friendly. Zucchini is low in carbs, which helps maintain blood sugar levels. Olive oil and avocado provide healthy fats, essential for heart health, while the lemon juice adds a zest that enhances flavor without adding sugar. Let's get started. First, we'll turn our zucchini into noodles using a spiralizer. If you don't have one, a vegetable peeler works great too. Next, in a large bowl, combine the zucchini noodles, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and red onion. Now, let's whip up our dressing. In a small bowl, mix together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well coated. Finally, sprinkle with fresh basil for that extra touch of flavor. And there you have it, a simple, tasty, and nutritious zucchini noodle salad that's perfect for a diabetes-friendly diet. Thank you for watching. If you tried this recipe, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy recipes.